Hey, what is up guys, and welcome to the video. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the new version of OBS that StreamLabs have created. Before we begin, be sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, also like the video, and make sure you click the bell. And without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So OBS is probably the main software that I use when it comes to either live streaming or recording videos for YouTube. Whether it's recording your desktop or recording gameplay, or even live streaming on Twitch. Most people that live stream use OBS. However, StreamLabs, I'm probably sure if you've live streamed before, you should know who StreamLabs are. So StreamLabs have created kind of like a remake for OBS, also known as Open Broadcast Software. So the remake that they have made makes it easier and faster for anyone that kind of live streams on Twitch to be able to create new scenes and also set up their live stream quicker and easier. However, before we get into the actual video where I'm going to show you me installing the new program from StreamLabs, we're going to take a look at a video that StreamLabs released, kind of talking about and explaining their new piece of software. So we're going to check that out and we will get into installing the software in just a second.
Hi, I'm SteelRain27, partnered streamer on Twitch. And for the last couple of months, I've had the chance to use StreamLabs Open Broadcast software. This software is designed to help us make what we do better. It gives us things that I didn't even know I needed and now are necessities. And considering it's as easy as going import settings and then you can basically go live, there's no reason not to do it. I've tried. I tried to go back. It was on screen for maybe 30 seconds. And back then, I would have rather gone through the issues I was having with the growing pains and finding the bugs through StreamLabs OBS than going back to what I was using for 2 years. Because it's that good. And once you try it, you'll see you need it. And it's free. You can download it on the link provided, and I will guarantee you won't go back.
So now let's get into the part of the video where I'm going to show you me downloading this software, and also I'm going to show you everything you need to know about installing and setting up StreamLabs OBS. So just go into the download link that I have in the description, download it and simply drag it to your desktop and click on install and start installing the program. So it's going to start installing. It won't take very long. So once StreamLabs has finished installing, you're going to be given the option to either sign in with Twitch or with YouTube. Now, would you like to stream on Twitch or would you like to stream on YouTube? You can also choose to choose later if you can't make up your mind which one you would like to go with. However, I chose to live streaming on Twitch, as I will be live streaming on twitch.tv, and I will have my link for Twitch down in the description if you'd like to come and watch me live. So just sign in with your account as you normally would. Now, if you have already created a profile for OBS and you've saved this onto your computer, which I have, you can choose to select that profile, which will have some of your scenes and pretty much any options that you have already set up in OBS. So using this new piece of software, you're able to add alerts, events, and like your tip jar, and also like donations simply and very easily with the new piece of software created by StreamLabs. So once you've done that, if you'd like to, just click on optimize and it will start optimizing the StreamLabs to kind of match your PC. Like, it will check your specs and your internet connection, and it will pretty much set everything up for you. However, I'd like to say here in the video that this software, it is still in beta, so it is still really a work in progress, and I'm sure it is going to be extremely popular in the near future. So as you can see, StreamLabs version of OBS, it's pretty much the exact same as the original version of OBS. Obviously OBS is an open source, so anyone's really able to kind of develop their own kind of version of OBS. However, StreamLabs has made it so that it is easier and faster to set up your live stream using their software. So you're pretty much able to do everything you was able to do with OBS, however easier on the new piece of software. So I am obviously using the original version of OBS to record this video, since I am still in the process of setting up my version of Streamlabs. So as you can see in the top left hand corner, they have a section for the dashboard where you can see everyone that's either following you on Twitch or in the other case on YouTube. Also, you're able to select and customize your alerts, donations, and pretty much everything you're able to do using their website. However, easier using the new piece of software. Also, there's the library where you're able to add things like overlays and like donations and like the amount of views you have and your webcam and everything on the new version of OBS, and pretty much easily customize it on your preview screen. So now we're going to take a look at setting up the settings for Streamlabs version of OBS, and as you're probably going to notice, it's pretty much the exact same as the original version of OBS. However, there's a ton of new features, and I'm sure there's going to be a lot more stuff added in the near future. However, I do wish that the color of the font and maybe like the size of the font was slightly bigger, as it was slightly difficult to be able to see what some of the settings said on the software. However, I'm sure they're going to be making improvements and changing that in the future. Although it was pretty easy to set up, as well, if you know what you're doing with OBS, then setting up Streamlabs was completely easy and really stress-free. So all of the settings for Streamlabs version of OBS have pretty much been set for you, and there's not really anything you need to do apart from maybe add your microphone and maybe your headset into your audio settings. And apart from that, everything's pretty much set up for you, apart from maybe adding your overlay if you haven't managed to export it from your other profile. However, we're going to be taking a look at the like overlay settings and setting up webcam and everything in another video. As well, to be honest, I'm making this video right now at like 6 o'clock in the morning, and it's slightly difficult. Also, as I said before in the video, Streamlabs version of OBS is in beta, and there is still going to be a ton of improvements. However, I decided that I would test the CPU like usage that Streamlabs was using compared to the original version of OBS. And as you can see, Streamlabs is using around 25% of my CPU, whereas OBS, which I'm actually recording with at the time, and Streamlabs I'm recording with, OBS is using much less of my CPU, around 5% of my CPU, while Streamlabs, which is recording or live streaming, is using between 15 to 25% of my CPU. So am I going to actually use Streamlabs as of right now? Probably not, since it's using a lot of my CPU. However, if you have maybe like a 2 PC like setup, like one PC for streaming and one PC for gaming, maybe you can use it. And obviously there is a lot of really great features that you are able to use with the Streamlabs version of OBS. However, I don't think I'm actually going to use this version of OBS right now, since I guess there's still a few bugs that need to be worked out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will have a few more videos coming out very soon, showing you some of the other settings and other features in Streamlabs version of OBS. However, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and peace out.